My name is Bo Mastrine, and I'm the Director of Grounds at the College of Worcester. Total campus is 250 acres. We maintain approximately about 150, 160 of that. The first impression of someone driving or walking on campus, they're seeing our work. If they feel comfortable on how the place looks and how it's being taken care of, that makes everything else fit into place as a marketable piece for the college. Our two tractors, they're ran 12 months out of the year. They're ran every month. We mow approximately 50 acres a week. We have areas that you look at and you think, oh man, we're gonna have to string trim that area because it's too steep for a mower. The Ventrac allows us to mow those areas safely, allows us to not have to put all our resources in labor on one particular space on campus. The aeravator allows us to not only fracture soil, but then to seed as well. It's not as disruptive as pulling cores with a core aerifier. Athletes, coaches, visitors don't even realize that we've been on those spaces. We're proud to say that the College of Worcester campus is a tree campus USA. We have close to 3,000 trees, but with the Ventrac, we're able to move large volumes of leaves with the turbine blowers that really saves a lot of time. The maneuverability, the volume of air that machine provides enables us to windrow leaves, get them cleaned up, and move on to the next space. Wintertime on our campus is probably some of the most challenging. Our Ventracs maintain 11 miles of sidewalks. Not only are we efficient with the Ventracs, but the attachments, the salt spreaders that we have allow us to keep things safe. My two operators, they sat in the cab and it was 100% sold. You know, this is what we want. Just the comfort, the room, the visibility of it, you know, being able to have heat. For us, having that type of equipment just fits our niche of in what we do. I mean, it's one tractor, it's multiple attachments. I'm not having to buy one tractor to do one thing. I'm buying one tractor and multiple attachments to do a lot of things. It amazes me that I walk on different college campuses and they're using something else other than a Ventrac. And I think to myself, wow, I couldn't imagine doing our job without it.